Google's Pixel 3 phones can wirelessly charge, and so Google has made a wireless charging companion called the Pixel Stand. It does so much more than charge up your phone though. There's a microprocessing unit inside that lets the Pixel identify each Pixel stand because you can configure them all differently if you have multiple in your house. You can make it so that stand triggers Do Not Disturb mode when you place the phone down, turn the screen completely black, show albums from Google Photos, or offer up bright yellow ambient light 15 minutes before your alarm. You can also use it to see who's ringing the doorbell if you have a Nest camera outside. The Pixel Stand also gives you quicker access to Google Assistant so you can access features like My Day in the morning. It's a Qi wireless charger, so it works with any compatible phone, but those smart features only work on the Pixel 3. It costs $79 and it's available for pre-order now.